With your arms, walk your left side all the way. Keep on breathing. Back to the center. Walk to the other side. Back to the center again. Take down dog one more time. Bring your right knee on the ground. Go to the side again. Reach out for the ceiling. Keep your back leg straight. Back on the ground. Take it to the other side. Back on the ground again. Left leg reach back, right arm reach forward. Hold. Back on the ground. Other side. Back on the ground. Take down dog again, please. Come to high plank pose. Hold it momentarily. Slowly lower to the floor. Bring it all the way up to cobra. Back to down dog again, please. Come to high plank pose again. Hold it. Lower it down to the ground. Come up all the way to cobra again. Hold. Keep on breathing. Back to down dog again, please. Come to high plank pose. Lower it all the way to the ground. Back to cobra again. Back to down dog again, please. Last one. Come to high plank pose. Hold. Lower it to the ground. Cobra again. Keep yourself lifted. Open your arms to the side. Keep your legs off the ground. Hold. Bring it back to cobra again. Open your arms again one more time. Keep your legs off the ground one more time. Breathe. Back on the ground to cobra again. Lift yourself up. Open your arms to the side. Legs together off the ground. Hold. Back on the ground. Lift yourself up again to cobra. Open arms again. Legs off the ground. Back on the ground again. Lift yourself up to high plank. Hold. Take it to down dog again, please. With your legs, walk forward. Fold there and stay there. Keep on breathing. Your hands on your knees. Come up all the way. Right there, open your arms again one more time to the side. Do not reach back with your arms. Hold it there. Come up all the way, stand up tall. Arms back to your side. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Exhale, arms back to your side. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Exhale, fold forward all the way. Open your arms, come up all the way, big inhale. Exhale, fold forward again, palms on the ground. Inhale, open your arms, come up all the way. Exhale, fold forward again. Palms on the ground, take your legs back all the way. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale, down dog. Hold your pose, stay there and breathe. With your legs, walk forward again, please. Fold forward. Open your arms, come up all the way, big inhale, palms touching. Exhale, arms back to yourself. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Exhale, fold forward, palms on the ground. Inhale, look up, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale, down dog. Let's breathe together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk forward again. Fold forward again, nicely, deep. Knees get straighter, kneecap lift. Open your arms, come up all the way, big inhale. Exhale, arms back to your side. Let's do one more. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Exhale, fold forward, palms on the ground. Inhale, look up, take your legs. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale, down dog. Breathe through your nose. Breathe all the way to the rib cage, side of it, top of it, bottom of it. Fill it up. Same way, exhale it all together. One more. Walk forward again. Fold forward. Knees get straighter. Open your arms, come up all the way. Arms back to your side. Working on understanding your split. Inhale, arms up, palms together. Exhale, fold forward. Grab your big toe on your right side. Stand up all the way. Bring your knee to your chest. Keep the balance going. If you're suffering the balance, hold it there. Otherwise, we're going. Open your leg all the way. Straight. If you're able, take a leg to the side. Side open. Back to the center. Lower it down on the ground. Just go one side, salute, and then we go other side. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Exhale, fold forward, palms on the ground. Inhale, look up, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog, inhale. Exhale, down. With your legs walk forward, jump forward, come forward. Open your arms, come up all the way, big inhale. Exhale, arms back to your side. You're going to take it to the other side. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Exhale, fold forward all the way. Grab the big toe on the other side. Stand up tall, knee to chest. Keep the balance going first. Extend your leg forward, knees straight, spine lifting, hips are square, kneecap lift. If you have it in you, take your leg to the side. Bring your leg back to the center again. Lower it down. One side salute. Inhale, arms up, palms together. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look up, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog, inhale. Exhale, down. Right leg in front, arms up, palm together. We're going to take it to warrior three. Arms up, palm together. Back leg off the ground, reach forward all the way. Yeah. Get the balance you need it. Bring your arms to your side, airplane. Hold it. Now breathe. Now breathe and breathe. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Hold it. One more. Don't put your leg down. Stand up tall all the way. Bring your knee to your chest. With one hand, grab the chin. With the other hand, hands on your hips. Hold. Open your leg to the side again while you're holding the knee. to the center. Lower your leg to the ground. Inhale, arms are palm together. Exhale, fold forward all the way, palms on the ground. Inhale, look up, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog, inhale. Exhale, down dog. Other leg in front. We'll take it to warrior three, other side. Reach forward, back leg off the ground, stand up on one leg. When you settle in the pose, bring your arms to the side. Hold and breathe. One more deep breath. Stand tall, knee to chest. One hand on hips, the other hand on knee, on shin. Open your leg to the side, please. Back to the center. Lower it down on the ground. Arms are palm together. Fold forward all the way, palms on the ground. Inhale, look up, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog, inhale. Exhale, down dog. Gonna go one more time to warrior three. Other leg in front, arms are palm together. Your right leg probably. Reach forward. Back leg off the ground. Come up all the way to warrior three again, one more time. Hold it. Fold forward all the way, lift the other leg up, bring it all the way. So how high it goes matter. Don't focus too much on the hips, just square. Lift your leg up, 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 up as high as you can. See if you can grab your calf muscle with one hand or both. Back on the ground. Bring your leg down. Take your legs back again. Slow down, up dog, inhale. Exhale, down dog. Other leg in front, please. Arms are palm together. We did the right leg, doing the left leg. Reach forward, back leg off the ground. Stand up on one leg again. Fold forward all the way. Lift the leg up a little up higher. Hold your knees straight. Bring your leg down. Deeper squat and stay there. Don't go back yet. On your toes, yeah. Yes. Bring your palms together. You're on ball of your foot, palms together. Keep on breathing. We're going to come up one more time to forward fold. So knees are straight, palms on the ground. I'm going to repeat this a few times. Come back again, heels off the ground. Palms together, on ball of your foot, knees together, lift yourself up. Bring your palms on the ground again. Back to forward fold again. Can keep your fingers wide open. Back to one more time. Heels off the ground. Ball of your foot, palms together.
I'm pressing my pads of my feet to the floor, trying to lift up through my knees, my hips, my spine. Everything's rising up as I press my feet down.
We're going to bring our arms up over our head, interlocking fingers, palms pointing up to ceiling. Reach up, reach up, reach up. Going to fold forward, base down here one more time. Knees are straight. Lift one more time, last one. We're going to go back to the same pose. Lift your heel up, palms together in your chest. Interlock your fingers, arms over your head. Fold forward again one more time. Right leg off the ground, reach out for the ceiling. With your arms off the ground, we're going to come back all the way to warrior three one more time. Arms open, airplane V. Bring your leg back, palms on the ground. And squat down, leg down on the ground. Squat down low one more time. We're going to take it to the other side. Palms together, interlock the finger over your head. I'm going to go back again to warrior three one more time. Palms on the ground, fold forward. Other leg off the ground. Arms off the ground nicely. And back to warrior three. Arms open. Hold. Back on the ground, palms on the ground, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale, down dog. Right leg in front, arms up, palms together. Reach forward, leg off the ground, back to warrior three again, one more time. The warrior three pose, arms open. Stand up all the way, don't touch the ground, knee to chest, knee to chest. Grab your toe with the same side arm. Going to take it again to a split. Legs open, leg open, and then take it to the side all the way. Hold it. It's your day, Betty. Bring it back again. Lower it down, arms up, palm together. We're going to take it to the other side. Fold forward, palms on the ground. Inhale, look up, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale, down dog. Bring the other leg in front again. Arms up, palm together. Reach forward all the way, back leg off the ground. Stand up again, one more time. Grab your toe, knee straight. If you have it in you, take it to the side. Hold. Back to the center. Lower it down on the ground. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Exhale, fold forward, palms on the ground. Inhale, look up, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog, inhale. Exhale, down dog. With your legs, walk forward again. Fold forward. Open your arms, come up all the way, big inhale. Exhale, arms back to your side. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Lift your heels off the ground. Squat down low. Palms together. Squat down low. Bring your arms over your head, interlock them, palms pointing up. Palms on the ground, fold forward again. Interlock fingers behind your back. Arm away from the back and then reach forward for the ground. So as far first reach out for the ceiling. If you have it in you, reach down for the ground. So you open your chest and shoulder nicely. Release your fingers. Arms on the ground. Arm reach forward. Sit on imaginary chair. So coming squatting, reach forward. Tailbone reach back. Finger reach forward. Push your knee back. Keep your knee on top of your heel. Toes are still on the ground. Toes are still on the ground. Legs are active. You should create the torque we're usually creating. Get a little lower. Get a little lower. Hold, 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 hold. Inhale, stand up tall all the way. Arms back to your side. I'm going to repeat this a couple times. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Sit on imaginary chair again one more time. Tailbone reach back, arm reach forward, get deeper, lower. Fingers wide open, arms active, breathe. Stand up tall all the way. Arms back to your side. Inhale, arms up, palm together. Hold yourself, lift yourself up. Lean to your left side all the way. Hold it. We are not going to go anywhere. Just hold. Breathe. Think that we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. Think that way. Hold and breathe. Come back to your center. Go other side. Lift yourself up. Take it to the other side. Breathe. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. Back to your center again, please. Fold forward all the way. Arms on the ground. Take your legs back all the way to high plank pose. Lower yourself down all the way to the ground. Come up to cobra pose one more time. Arms open to the side, airplane wing. Bring your legs together tight, legs off the ground. Lift your upper body torso off the ground and hold. Legs are off the ground. Hold. With your arms only, reach forward. Reach, 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 and hold. Bring your arms back again. Interlock behind your back. Lift yourself up. Reach for your heels and lift them up with your fingers. Lift, lift, lift. Release the finger. Palms on the shoulder. Come up dog. Come to high plank pose and take it to down dog. Hold. Bring your left hand on your lower back, left hand on your lower back, and reach up to your up of the spine. Hold it. The back of your hand is on your back, and you're reaching up toward your shoulder blade, right on the center. Hold it. Down on the ground. Release yourself. Let's take it to the other arm. Reach up and elbow. Don't let your elbow collapse down. Lift the elbow up as you're reaching up. Arm back on the ground again, please. Keep your right leg off the ground. Rise it up as high as you can. Lift up, 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 up higher. Hold and breathe. Back on the ground. Other leg off the ground. Back on the ground again. Come to high plank pose. Bring your left knee to your right elbow and hold it. Touch and hold it. Back to high plank pose again. Bring the other knee to the opposite elbow. Breathe. Back to high plank pose. Take a down dog again, please. Left leg off the ground. Spider-Man lunge. Bring it all the way to Spider-Man lunge. Hold it momentarily. Hold it momentarily. Add a twist to it. Same side. Off the ground. Hold it. Back on the ground. Take your leg back. Bring the other leg out in forward simply and twist. Back to high plank pose again. Bring the other leg in front. Same pose again. We're going to put our forearms on the ground. Hold it. If you have it in you, walk away from your leg with your arm. But don't turn and twist. Don't bend too much.
You can also bring your back leg knee to the mat. Top of the foot to the floor.
Back to high plank pose again, please. Bring the other leg in front. Nice deep elbow on the ground. Walking away. Back to the center again, please. Take your leg back, high plank pose. Take a down dog again, please. Put your knees down on the ground, please. Sit on your heels, arms extended, child pose for now. You're going to come back here with one leg extended forward. So come up to all four again, please. Bring your right leg in front. Bring your right leg in front. You're going to sit back again, all the way on your heel and hold. Go as deep as you can. Hold.
Walk back up onto that front foot. Palms on the inside of your foot. Come to all fours. Rise your back up. Back to your center. Step your left foot forward. And straighten your left knee as you sit onto your back right heel. Forearm on either side of your leg. Hold.
Come forward again, please. Find yourself in high plank pose one more time. Take down dog one more time. Right leg off the mat. Rise it up as high as you can. Bring your shin to the ground all the way. Walk forward with your arms. Pigeon pose. Yeah, all the way. Find yourself in high plank pose. Take a down dog again, please. Other leg off the ground. Rise it up. Bring your shin down on the ground. Arms on the ground. Walk forward. Come back to high plank again. Take down dog all the way. I'm going to come to all the way to cobra, and then we're going to take ourselves again to down dog. So repeating this over and over, cobra and down dog. Repeat that again. Choose the speed that's suitable for you. We don't want to hold it too long. One more time, hold your down dog. Bring your right hand on your back, and we're gonna walk it all the way up to top of your spine, shoulder blade, or as far as you can handle it, or just lower back for some of us enough. Back on the ground again, please. Other hand. Chest reaches still for your shin. You're still breathing. You're still active. Don't let your elbow clasp down. Back on the ground again. Right leg off the ground. Rise it up as high as you can. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. Back on the ground. Other leg up. Back on the ground again. Other leg up one more time. Right leg up, up, up. Come to high plank pose. Knee touching opposite elbow and hold. Think 30 seconds. 5 deep breaths. Better way of timing it is your breath. Go. Back to down dog again, please. Other leg up. Come to high plank and knee touching opposite elbow. So 30 seconds. Back to down dog again, please. Right leg off the ground. Spider-Man lunge with the right leg all the way. Add a twist to it. Back on the ground. Go on your forearm. Go on your elbows. Stay there. Walking away from your leg if you have it in you. Back to the center again, please. Come to hyperline pose. Take a leg back. Take it to down dog all the way. Other leg off the ground. Rise it up. Bring it again to the lunge. Add a twist to it. Down on the ground. Go on your forearms. Back to the center, palms on the ground, airplank pose again. Take your leg back, take a down dog again, please. Bring your right leg in front, arms up, palm together. Palms stays together. Bring opposite elbow on your knee. Twist deep. Look down on the mat, palms on the ground. Take your legs back. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale, down dog. Bring the other leg in front. Arms up, palm together. Bring opposite elbow on your knee. Twist deep. Look down on the mat, palms on the mat. Take your legs back. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale, down dog. One more time, same pose. Other leg, front arms up, palm together. Bring opposite elbow on your knee. Bring your back leg knee on the ground. Then we're going to reach for our toes. See if we can grab our toes. Twist it, pull. So one elbow on your knee, the other hand holding onto your toes. See, one-handed prayer is still there. Don't just lose it. Let go of it. Look down on the mat, palms on the ground. Take your legs back. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale, down dog. Bring the other leg in front. Opposite elbow on your knee. You're not going to hold the long knee on the ground. Bend your knee back up. Reach up. Grab your big toe. One-handed prayer. Hold it. Look down on the mat, let go of it, palms on the ground, take your legs back again. Slow down, up dog inhale, exhale, down dog. Right leg off the ground, rise it up as high as you can. Swing your leg through, bring your shin down on the ground, palms on the mat, walk forward. Just on the ground. Palms on the ground again, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog inhale, exhale, down dog. Other leg off the ground, rise it up. Bring your shin down on the ground, palms on the ground, and walk forward with your arms. Readjust your heel, let it in looser a little bit. Maybe you can lift a little higher. Watch your knee. Palms on the ground. Again, take your legs back. Slow down, up dog inhale. Exhale down. Bend your knees down on the ground. Sit on your heels. Keep your arms extended, palms down to the ground. Child pose is a good pose. With your arms, walk to your left side all the way. Back to your center. Walk to the other side all the way. Come back to your center again, please. Done for now, guys.
Guys.
See you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna let you talk to Callie.